he's having idle problems and a few other turbo spooling problems. So he's got a leaky cap there, which is only just gone. So I think damage is going to be minimal. He's got another 2 caps there, which actually look okay. Then he's got 2 more caps here, and that one has leaked. So we're going to have to look at the circuit board on that one. But this one looks okay. So we'll replace these and see how we get on. So with this one, because I've done 2 or 3 different ECU videos now, I'm not going to go into detail how to strip all the circuit board out and all the rest of it. So this time around, what I've done is I've actually bought one of these little scrubbing pens, and what this is designed specifically for circuit boards, and it just cleans everything up, because I just wanted to make sure that the tracks were all right, which they are. So basically he's got away with it. He's just caught it just at the right time, which means there isn't any damage. So the only other one to check now is that one, but I am replacing them all. So I won't film actually replacing them, because I've done loads of videos on how to replace them. But so far, so good. So on one of the damaged ones, it looks like we've got a little bit. We've got a tiny bit of circuit board damage there. Excuse the mess. I've had to clean this up to get to it. Yeah, just a tiny bit there. So what I'll do is I'll put this in and then just solder around here, because that join's all right. That join's all right. It's just that bit there. It's not actually, it's still contacting, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So here's his old ones. That one was literally on its way out. That one's all right. That one is on its way out, but all right. That one's split. And that one has most definitely split. So yeah, get your ECU capped. So that is Johnny's ECU now all recapped and ready to go. So we had a leaky one here, and this one was leaking. We've had a look at the circuit board and it's all fine. So that should hopefully be another happy customer. So yeah, cheers for watching.